Hello everyone. Today I have come with another interesting thing. So this is a sewing machine with two speed control. It has a speed control. So today I will review this one, unboxing and review. But before that, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so now let me unbox it. Holy smoke! Can you see this? It's gorgeous piece. So what it has, it can sew all sorts of fabrics, compact yet power packed. It has dual speed and double stitch, and there is free gratis. So you have this kind of controller like in your leg where you can press the speed going up and down. Let me open it and see. Holy smoke! So this is the item. This should be in your leg. You press it start working, you stop working. I'll show you. And there is instruction manual. That's it. So this is for my wife. My wife is planning to like try it out here in Dubai, how it works and what it is. So there are lots of like these are basically uh, threads. How to put the threads, I don't know, I have to check. But overall, let me check. It's electric. So there is an adapter, you can see. So the adapter is very small, you can see. So it's an adapter, and then this is the item. So it also has battery. So let's say if you don't have electricity, you can probably use the battery in here. That's what I guess. Not sure really, but yes. So it has like 4 batteries. You can try out with the batteries, or you can also try out this electric wires. So this is the electric wires and this is the battery thing. I will probably try it out now with the battery. I have battery, so I'll try out the batteries. Okay, can you see it? Okay. Okay, let me get some batteries and try it out. So as you can see, I managed to get 4 batteries. I'll show it to you how it works. So here I put 4 batteries in. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there is the light, you can see. Can you see it? So this is the light, and there is already some threads, and I don't know how this thing works really. There is instruction manual, probably we'll see later on. But before that, there is a foot pedal. Okay, see, so you press it, so this is on, another one is off. Lower, higher, lower, higher, I don't know. Seems like it doesn't have enough battery. See, holy smoke, here you go. You can do it. You don't have enough battery, so it really does not working. Okay, it says less battery, so I'll try it out now. So there you can see it's like you can, I don't know what is this really, but there's many things that even I don't know. Anyway, I will figure it out. So this is basically for carting, I think. You can cart it. So yeah, it's basically showing like it really works. Okay, anyway, what I'll do, I'll pull out the batteries. Batteries are not enough. Okay, as you can see, batteries are not enough. So I'll just pull out my batteries. I'll try